Low-carb fruits and vegetables. Low-carb dieting doesn't have to mean only protein and fat all the time. Fruits and vegetables can play an important nutritional role in your low-carb eating plan. These options will help make your plate more interesting and your nutrition more complete as you adhere to your low-carb plan. Getting enough fruits and vegetables each day can be a challenge for some, but research indicates that these foods can help to reduce the risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. Fresh fruits and vegetables are generally low in fat and calories, but they contain various levels of carbohydrates and sugars. And for some people trying to manage their intake, carb content is helpful to know. Including these fruits and vegetables when following a carb-light dietary regimen can add color, flavor, and vital nutrients to your diet. Fruits. Some low-carb diets specifically say to avoid fruit, at least for a certain part of the diet. This is because fruit tends to have a higher carbohydrate content than most vegetables, due to its higher amount of naturally occurring sugars. But these sugars aren't all bad. For most people, in appropriate amounts, they can all serve a healthy purpose without going overboard on carbs. If you're watching your carbohydrate intake, some fruit has a higher water content and therefore fewer carbs per standard serving. Watermelon. Watermelon scores lowest in carbohydrate content, with only 7.55 grams per 100 grams of fruit. It's also high in vitamin A and has a high water content, making it a great high-volume food because it will fill you up while providing fewer calories. It's low in fiber, so most of this carbohydrate is absorbed. Strawberries. Berries are a popular choice for people watching their carb intake, and strawberries have the least. For each 100 grams of strawberries, you'll get just 7.68 grams of carbohydrate. They're also an excellent source of potassium and vitamin C. Berries. Berries are a popular choice for people watching their carb intake. Strawberries have the fewest carbs of all types of berries, while blackberries have the fewest net carbs. Raspberries are also an excellent choice, as they net only 5.44 grams of carbohydrates per 100 grams serving. They're also an excellent source of antioxidants, potassium, and vitamin C among many other nutrients. And they contain phytochemicals, which are compounds that may prevent certain chronic diseases. Cantaloupe. This popular orange melon is great on a hot summer's day and contains only 8.16 grams of carbohydrate per 100 grams. Cherries. Cherries are one of the top antioxidant-rich foods and have been linked to reducing pain and inflammation associated with inflammatory arthritis and gout. They are one of the few natural sources for melatonin, which can help regulate sleep cycles. The deep red color of dark sweet cherries means the fruit contains anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that plays a role in improving cognitive function and protects the heart and its surrounding tissues. Half a cup 75 grams or about 12 cherries contains 8 grams of carbs. Avocados. Avocados have relatively low carbohydrate content. For each 100 grams of avocado, you'll get an estimated 8.53 grams of carbohydrate and 6.7 grams of fiber, netting only 1.83 grams of carbohydrates. In addition, you'll get healthy monounsaturated fats. Honeydew. Honeydew, a melon, comes in at 9.09 grams of carbohydrates and 0.8 grams of fiber for every 100 grams, netting 8.29 grams of carbohydrates. It's also an excellent source of vitamin C as well as potassium, an electrolyte you need to maintain good blood pressure, pH balance, and a healthy metabolism. Peaches. One raw medium peach 147 grams has 50 calories, 0.5 grams of fat, 0 grams of cholesterol and sodium, 15 grams of carbohydrate, 13 grams of sugar, 2 grams of fiber and 1 gram of protein. It provides 6% of your daily vitamin A needs and 15% of daily vitamin C needs. One medium peach also contains 2% or more daily value of vitamins E and K, niacin, folate, iron, choline, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, zinc and copper. Peaches are low in calories, and contain no saturated fats. Nonetheless, they are packed with numerous health-promoting compounds, minerals, and vitamins. Fresh peaches are a moderate source of antioxidants and vitamin C, which is required for the building of connective tissue inside the human body. Blueberries. Blueberries contain a plant compound called anthocyanin. This gives blueberries both their blue color and many of their health benefits. In half a cup 75 grams contains 9 grams of carbs and half the daily requirements of vitamin C. Kiwi fruit. One medium-sized kiwi fruit 70 grams contains 8 grams of carbs. Kiwi also packs in the vital nutrients vitamin E, copper, vitamin K, choline, magnesium, and phosphorus. The kiwi fruit is higher in vitamin C per ounce than most other fruits. Vegetables. Vegetables are low in calories but rich in vitamins, minerals and other important nutrients. In addition, many are low in carbs and high in fiber, making them ideal for low-carb diets. When you're limiting carbs, vegetables are an important source of nutrition. They also contain an array of healthy compounds such as vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals. In general, the higher the water content, the lower the carb content per standard serving. These are the lowest carb choices. Cucumbers. Although cucumbers aren't very high in vitamins or minerals, they contain a compound called cucurbitacin E, which may have beneficial effects on health. Cucumbers are a refreshing and nutritious addition to any salad. Peeled, they contain just 2.16 grams of carbs for every 100 grams. If you prefer them with peel, that's 3.63 grams, which is still pretty low. Lettuce. Depending on the type, it may also be a good source of certain vitamins. For instance, romaine and other dark green varieties are rich in vitamins A, C and K. They're also high in folate. Folate helps decrease levels of homocysteine, a compound linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Perhaps one of the most popular, though least nutritious, vegetables, iceberg lettuce has only 2.97 grams of carbohydrate per 100 grams. Pair it with several others on this list to get a low-carb salad with plenty of nutrients. Celery. Celery is extremely low in digestible carbs. A 1-cup serving of chopped celery contains 3 grams of carbs, 2 of which are fiber. It's a good source of vitamin K, providing 37% of the RDI. In addition, it contains luteolin, an antioxidant that shows potential for both preventing and helping treat cancer. Celery is a versatile veggie that goes as well with salads as it does with casseroles. And with the same number of carbs as iceberg lettuce, it's worthy of inclusion in your diet. White mushrooms. Mushrooms are extremely low in carbs. What's more, they've been shown to have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Mushrooms contain only 3.26 grams of carbs per 100 grams. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that provides major health benefits. It can help reduce damage to DNA. It also protects heart health and may decrease the risk of common eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. What's more, it's an excellent source of several vitamins and minerals. 1 cup of cooked spinach provides more than 10 times the RDI for vitamin K. Spinach is also low in carbs, but the carbs become more concentrated as the leaves are cooked down and lose their volume. For every 100 grams of spinach, you'll get 3.63 grams of carbohydrate. To put that in perspective, that's only about 1 gram per cup. Swiss chard. Another nutrient-dense leafy vegetable, Swiss chard, packs only 3.74 grams of carbs per 100 grams. Swiss chard is great in soups and sautéed with garlic. Tomatoes. Tomatoes have a number of impressive health benefits. Like avocados, they are technically fruits but usually consumed as vegetables. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamins A, C and K. In addition, they are high in potassium, which can help reduce blood pressure and decrease stroke risk. Tomatoes, considered both a fruit and a vegetable, only contain 3.89 grams of carbs for every 100 grams. You can eat them raw, roast them, or throw them into a salad. Not only are they delicious, but they can also lower your risk for strokes. Radishes. Radishes are brassica vegetables with a sharp, peppery taste. 1 cup 116 grams of raw sliced radishes contains 4 grams of carbs, 2 of which are fiber. They're fairly high in vitamin C, providing 29% of the RDI per serving. Additionally, radishes may reduce the risk of breast cancer in postmenopausal women by modifying the way the body metabolizes estrogen. Eggplant. Eggplant is a common vegetable in many Italian and Asian dishes. A 1 cup 99-gram serving of chopped, cooked eggplant contains 8 grams of carbs, 2 of which are fiber. It's not very high in most vitamins or minerals, but animal research suggests eggplant may help lower cholesterol and improve other markers of heart health. It also contains an antioxidant known as niacin in the purple pigment of its skin. Researchers have reported that niacin helps reduce free radicals and may protect brain health. Cabbage. Cabbage has some impressive health benefits. As a cruciferous vegetable, it may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, including esophageal and stomach cancer. 1 cup 89 grams of chopped raw cabbage contains 5 grams of carbs, 3 of which are fiber. It also provides 54% of the RDI for vitamin C and 85% of the RDI for vitamin K.